Spark Your Fire presents 5 Tips to Master Confident Body Language for Men. Have you ever wondered how mastering confident body language can significantly impact your personal and professional life? Body language plays a crucial role in communication and self-confidence, making it essential to understand its significance. Confident body language not only conveys assurance and authority, but also enhances your overall presence in various social settings. By mastering body language, men can exude confidence, build stronger connections, and leave a lasting impression on others. In both personal and professional relationships, body language can make or break a situation. It can influence how others perceive you, establish trust, and create a positive rapport. Whether you're networking at a business event or meeting someone for the first time, your body language speaks volumes before you even say a word. So join us as we delve into the world of mastering confident body language for men and discover how it can transform your interactions and boost your self-assurance. Tip 1. Posture and alignment. Good posture and body alignment are key elements in projecting confidence and authority in any situation. When you stand tall and straight, you not only appear more confident, but also feel more empowered. Your posture sends a message to others about your self-assurance and assertiveness. One of the simplest ways to improve your posture is by keeping your shoulders back and your chin up. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in how others perceive you. By maintaining proper alignment, you exude a sense of strength and presence that commands attention and respect. The connection between posture and self-assurance is undeniable. When you carry yourself with confidence, you not only feel more confident, but also inspire confidence in those around you. So remember to stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and hold your head high to project a strong and confident image to the world. Tip 2. Eye contact and facial expressions. Maintaining eye contact and using appropriate facial expressions are essential components of appearing confident and attentive in any interaction. Eye contact is a powerful tool in building trust and rapport with others. It shows that you are engaged, attentive, and interested in the conversation, creating a connection that goes beyond words. Facial expressions play a crucial role in conveying emotions and intentions effectively. A smile can instantly make you appear more approachable and friendly, while a furrowed brow may signal tension or discomfort. By being mindful of your facial expressions, you can better control how you are perceived by others. To maintain a friendly and approachable facial demeanor, remember to smile genuinely, relax your facial muscles, and make eye contact with those you are speaking to. These simple adjustments can help you appear more confident, attentive, and engaging in any social or professional setting. Tip 3. Gestures and body movements. Gestures and body movements play a significant role in communication and can greatly impact your confidence levels. Using gestures effectively can help emphasize points, add depth to your message, and engage your audience. Whether it's a hand gesture to illustrate a concept or a nod of the head to show agreement, incorporating gestures can enhance the clarity and impact of your communication. Body movements can convey enthusiasm, conviction, and energy in your interactions. Moving with purpose and confidence can help you appear more dynamic and engaging, capturing the attention of those around you. Whether it's leaning in to show interest or using open gestures to express openness and honesty, your body language can speak volumes about your confidence and authenticity. By incorporating appropriate gestures and body movements into your communication, you can enhance your message, connect with your audience on a deeper level, and exude confidence in every interaction. Tip 4. Voice tone and volume. Voice tone and volume play a crucial role in conveying confidence and authority in communication. By mastering your voice modulation, you can enhance the impact of your message and command attention in any conversation or presentation. Varying your voice tone can add emphasis, convey emotions effectively, and keep your audience engaged and interested. Maintaining an appropriate volume is key to commanding attention and projecting confidence. Speaking too softly may make you appear unsure or lacking in conviction, while speaking too loudly can come across as aggressive or overwhelming. Finding the right balance and volume can help you establish a strong presence and hold the attention of your listeners. The connection between vocal delivery and perceived confidence is undeniable. By paying attention to your voice tone and volume, you can convey authority, assertiveness, and credibility in your communication, leaving a lasting impression on those you interact with. Tip 5. Practice and feedback. Practicing confident body language and seeking feedback are essential steps in continuously improving your communication skills and enhancing your self-confidence. By dedicating time to practice different body language techniques in front of a mirror, you can become more aware of your gestures, posture, and expressions, and make necessary adjustments to appear more confident and engaging. Seeking feedback from trusted friends, colleagues, or mentors can provide valuable insights and perspectives on your body language skills. Constructive feedback can help you identify areas for improvement, refine your techniques, and enhance your overall presence in social and professional settings. Consistent practice is key to mastering confident body language. By incorporating regular practice sessions and actively seeking feedback, you can refine your body language skills, boost your self-assurance, and make a lasting impact on those around you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with dedication and feedback, you can continue to grow and improve your communication skills. In conclusion, mastering confident body language is a powerful tool that can significantly impact your confidence levels and communication skills. Throughout this video, we have explored the importance of body language in projecting confidence, building relationships, and making a strong impression on others. By incorporating tips on posture, eye contact, gestures, voice tone, and practicing consistently, you can enhance your body language skills and exude confidence in various social and professional interactions. Remember to practice in front of a mirror, seek feedback from others, and make conscious efforts to refine your body language techniques. Start implementing these tips today and watch as your confidence and presence soar to new heights.